What's up, guys? I'm on the channel. What we're doing today, we're going to be playing iRacing once again. USA International Raceway, I believe it's called. Yesterday we got 4th place, or the day before, or whatever video it was, we got 4th place. The day before that, I wasn't recording, I got 3rd place. So right now, our main goal is to get 3rd, 2nd, and of course, 1st is always the main objective. But our goal, our mini goal will be 3rd place at least. So as long as we're progressing and not getting worse, that's all we need to try to do. Other than that, what else is it about it? Yeah, that's really it. So let's get into practice and see what's going on. Alright, we are in practice right now, so we're gonna do a little practice. I don't know if I'm gonna show a lot of practice because it's kind of boring. It's just me just going around and just trying to figure things out. If anything interesting happens, I will throw it in the video, of course, like always. Oh, like that kind of stupid things. Alright, so it looks like we're about to get into some qualifying. So let's hop into here. First gear it, burn it out, warm up those rear tires. So at least got the rear tires a little warmed up. Now we're gonna go through here. I'm gonna be very careful because you get like penalized for going outside this blue line here. Alright, warm up the front tires a little bit right here. Not the first.
One more lap.
We hit the wall, but it's alright. Do we got wheel damage? I did it on purpose, guys. Whee! Alright. I don't know what we ran. 23.7. It's kind of what we averagely run. Usually we run like 23.6, 23.5. I think 23.3 is my... Oh shit, guys.
You're on the outside this time.
I think we're only in 4th place? 1, 2, 3, yeah, 4th place. That's not half bad at all, guys.
The estimated SOF is 1,000.
Alright, our tires should be warmed up.
Green flag, green flag. Outside.
I don't know what that guy was doing, but... And this guy's definitely not no stranger right now. Oh. See, we all messed. Oh shit. What is this guy doing? Holy shit. We're doing pretty damn good. Got in front of this guy. Damn, okay. We lost it a little bit there for a second. That was
The next car's the leader.
I know we lost the lead, but we gained it once, we can gain it again.
Car inside. Clear inside. Inside. Stay high to the car on the left side. Stay high. Still there inside. Stay high to the car on the left side. Clear.
Oh shit.
Leader is running 23.46. Car outside. Keep low. Keep low. Still there, hold the line. Slow car down low. Clear outside. Go high. The leader's spinning now.
Ah, fourth? Unless maybe I was for a second.
The next car's the leader.
This one's a hard race, actually. This is like a really close race. Like and we got second. That was pretty damn good, guys.
The flag is over.
Woo.
Good job. Very good job. Okay, the race is over. Bring it on in.
All right, guys. All right, guys. So that was. Hold on. Let's look at the results. All right. So average lap time is 24.03. We got plus 16 on our safety rating, which is so close to 3. So close to 3. And we got second place, guys, which was, I can't believe that. That was actually very, very difficult. That was literally just like holding your hand there, like your hand. All right, guys. So here's our results right here. We got a 24.03 average lap. We did all 40 laps. We led four laps. The field here. I read driver. Okay, so I guess strength. I guess it's more points. I guess I don't know what that really means, but we got plus 0.16 on our safety rating, which is awesome. We got second place, guys. So 1 off from first, and we did twice as better than the day we did before. So really cool, really cool. So we'll hit exit out that, and we'll hit out that. All right. Alright, guys, so that's it for this video. It's just gonna be, I gotta do a couple more of these for the weekend. I'm gonna try to do another recording for tomorrow and then try to edit it so it's not just all iRacing stuff, but you know, this is kind of just filler for the weeks, you know, for when I can't really get a nice video for you guys to go out. So if you guys enjoyed the video, please like down below. Comment down below what you guys want to see in iRacing, or any in particular, any challenges you want me to try to do in it. Maybe if you can think of any, like reverse driving, or I don't know. Just whatever you can think of. Subscribe to the channel. Do what it takes to follow dreams. Don't let it get away. Stay Maverick. I'll see you guys next one.